So one of the other aspects that we have at Paladin Healthcare is we can provide hospitals with the systems and a very simple means of upgrading any patient room or exam room into a complete and total critical care capable environment. If your wall already does not look like this with the equipment rail, it's very simple to install a 6 or 7 foot equipment rail. It takes maybe 5 minutes into a regular space. So without major construction, and there's not a lot involved in hanging up a rail. But once we have the rail up, what we can do is we can rearrange the requirements that you have there already. For example, we move things out of the way, we create a little more real estate. And then what we do with our real estate is we take our non-invasive gas expansion, and we'll start in this case with air. We'll just put an air block over here, and then with the hose, we'll just take this and put it into the existing air outlet that is on the wall. And again, there may be only one in this case, but now we have 3. We have 2 flow meters, and we have a power takeoff for a ventilator connection. The next thing we'll do is vacuum. The nice part about this solution also is that we use as much of the owner's existing devices as possible. So we'll just take suction regulator off the wall, add it to our gas block, and then we will hang our gas block on the rail in a central location over here. And we will tie this back to the wall with the vacuum outlet. And now you have a 2-to-1 split on the vacuum. And we do the same thing with the oxygen, but oxygen, we have a 50 PSI source as well. Oxygen is generally more readily required at the bedside. So in this case, we will take 4 oxygens, actually 5, because we have an additional power takeoff. Oops, it goes here. This goes over here. And we tie this back to the outlet that's over here on the wall. So we're actually creating 4 oxygen flow meters, 1 power takeoff for a ventilator, 2 vacuum. It's also got a DISS, so we can actually multiplex that if we need to, and 3 vacuum, all without construction, without renovation, without shutting zone valve down. You can do this entire operation in about 5 or 10 minutes.